Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Epic Games not launching problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to change some settings and clear Epic Games cache files. To do this, you just need to right click on the Epic Games launcher and select open file location. Right click on the Epic Games launcher and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and checkmark disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here. Go to search menu and type run. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. In here you need to delete the Epic Games related folders. In my case Epic Games and Epic Games launcher. Select both of it and right click on it and select delete it. After deleting it you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to change compatibility settings. To do this you just need to right click on the Epic Games and select open file location and right click on the Epic Games launcher and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and check mark run this program in a compatibility mode for Windows 8 and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to uninstall and reinstall Epic Games. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.